Hey everyone, this is the Lazy Programmer, and I'm excited to introduce you to my latest course, Data Science Supervised Machine Learning in Python. In recent years, we've seen a resurgence in AI, or artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Machine learning has led to some amazing results, like being able to analyze medical images and predict diseases on par with human experts. Google's AlphaGo program was able to beat a world champion in the strategy game Go using deep reinforcement learning. Machine learning is even being used to program self-driving cars, which is going to change the automotive industry forever. Imagine a world with drastically reduced car accidents simply by removing the element of human error. Google famously announced that they are now machine learning first, meaning that machine learning is going to get a lot more attention now, and this is what's going to drive innovation in the coming years. It's embedded into all sorts of different products. Machine learning is used in many industries like finance, online advertising, medicine, and robotics. It is a widely applicable tool that will benefit you no matter what industry you're in, and it will also open up a ton of career opportunities once you get good. Machine learning also raises some philosophical questions. Are we building a machine that can think? What does it mean to be conscious? Will computers one day take over the world? In this course, we'll cover some classic machine learning algorithms. Unlike deep learning, it won't require any calculus, so if you don't like math, this course is for you. All the algorithms we'll learn about are intuitive and can be understood just by visualization and geometry. We'll cover some very practical topics like hyperparameters, cross-validation, feature extraction, feature selection, the Sci-Kit Learn library, and even how to build your own machine learning web service. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in class.